In this video, I will show you how to change the font size in a Google Chrome browser. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, open up a Google Chrome browser, and what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots, and on this menu that comes up, come and click onto settings. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side, and what you want to do is click onto appearance. And from here, if you scroll down slightly, you're going to see the option to adjust the font size. Currently it's set to medium, which is the recommended font size, but you can click this drop down box and you can change it, as you can see, to any of the options available. So we can click large to make the font larger, or alternatively we can make the font smaller by selecting small or very small. So that is how to change the font size in a Google Chrome browser. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.